Someone can ask a question that vegetables are very cheap. I can go to the market and buy them. Why do I need to plant them? Why must I have a kitchen garden? Because I can afford to buy the vegetables. I have my money. In this video, I want to give you reasons why you need your own backyard garden around your home. And I will definitely show you some of the different technologies that you can use to grow some few vegetables, even when you have very small land, very small compound. They will not affect the beauty of your compound, but then you will have a lot of food. If you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Asperia, a very passionate farmer. I grow vegetables. I have banana, coffee plantations, and I can advise you on that. So let's get right into the video. Very first reason why you need a kitchen garden is because of food safety. Now, there is a lot of food contamination going on in our markets today. I shared a video about someone was washing vegetables in the sewage line. This sewage where pieces go to where they go through to their final destinations. That is where someone was using that dirty water to wash vegetables that they hawk and sell to people to consume. Now, what does this do to your mind when you watch such videos? It should spike a question in your mind: what am I consuming? Is it really safe for my consumption? Well, wow, when we go to the hospitals, doctors usually recommend eat vegetables, but do you know that so many diseases are coming into our bodies because of the vegetables that we are consuming? Talk about the chemicals that people are using to spray the tomatoes. Some of the chemicals were banned in our own country, but people are still buying them through black market because they want to get money. What they care about is what they get inside their pockets. They don't mind about your health and my health. But eventually, those contaminations circulate and they come back to our plates. So, having a kitchen garden, it can help you have very fresh, clean, and safe vegetables that you can consume in your home. Now, you can use different technologies like to grow spinach, to grow. This is a food tower which you can use. This food tower is really easy to make and very cheap because it can accommodate close to 200 vegetables, and they can be really enough for your home. If you are not intending to do a commercial garden, then they can be really good for you. You can plant spring onions, spinach, sukuma, amaranthus, dodo. You can plant any vegetables and they will grow, and you will always pick them and grow and eat them around your home. Number two, there is food security. Apart from food safety, we also have food security. Sometimes we go broke and it is really not easy to buy vegetables on a daily basis. Now we know that vegetables are carrying a lot of nutrients that we want in our bodies. That's when you go to the hospital, they say big portion of vegetables should be on your plate. But when you look at buying the vegetables that you, your husband, and your children are going to consume, you find that it is much money, which is not sustainable depending on the income that you get. So many people cannot afford to eat fresh, clean vegetables because they cannot afford them. When you go to the market, you find that with 10,000 Uganda shillings, that is $3.5, you find that you can buy vegetables that you can't even consume for 3 days if you are a lover of vegetables. If you want, for instance, to buy like Chinese cabbage, a kilogram goes for 6,000. And that kilogram won't be able to feed you for 2 days. Sometimes you find it has only one Chinese cabbage, So growing them will help you to have enough in your home for your children and for yourself. You can use containers, like very good containers to plant these vegetables like pak choy, like purple cabbage, those nutrients that we need. We can plant them. And these containers are really, really cheap and you can manage. If you do not have money to buy the containers, you can use reusable things like polythene. You can use containers. You can use cement bags. For instance, I'm a poultry farmer, and every time I buy poultry feeds, I don't throw the bags. I use them to grow vegetables around my home. So you can use literally anything to grow, and they will still look good in your compound. They will not disorganize the beauty as long as you care for them very well. And then number three, you get extra income. Now, if you grow the vegetables, for instance, I started growing these vegetables for personally my home consumption, and I called my garden a kitchen garden. But then I had to go beyond a kitchen garden, plant a community garden for my people to buy around my community, because I saw myself getting that opportunity of selling greens around people. People where we stay, there is no market. There is no local market where you can buy greens. You have to put in transport to go to town. So I decided to become a solution to my people in my community. So I grow the vegetables and people come here to buy. If you're my neighbors and you haven't yet tested my greens, I really don't know what you're thinking about. I have very, very, very beautiful, tasty greens here for people, not just for me. Also, people can come and buy. So when they buy, I get some income. I don't struggle to buy that. I don't struggle to have, some small monies. In case I get an emergency visitor, I buy some escort. That is not little money, because I add the money that I would be spending to buy the vegetables. If I choose to save it in a month, it's going to be someone's salary. So don't minimize these kitchen gardens. We have many food towers that can help you, like you use shade nets, you can use the DPC, you can use timber to grow the layered gardens. Like, it is really easy for you. We can offer you support in case you need support. We can advise you on how to set up these bucket gardens. If you text me, my number is always there, and I'll put it on the screen for you guys to text me, and I help you on how to establish these backyard gardens. And lastly, for nutrition and health benefit, there are so many diseases today in our bloodstream. I think every person must be sick. You go to the hospital today, you're feeling headache, tomorrow you're feeling stomach pain, but they test you, they don't see anything. Sometimes it is because of what we eat, what we consume. Now, these vegetables are going to give you a wide range of nutrients in your body. And so you cannot have enough nutrients, like enough, if you do not eat enough greens. So you need to plant them for your health benefit. And some of them are medicinal, for medicinal purposes. You find that plants like pak choi, plants like spinach, they tell you that they improve on your blood, they improve on this. When you eat purple cabbage, they improve on this. So you need them. If you have a specific disease like diabetes, they always tell you to eat things like spider plant, things like, sukuma, so that you can have enough nutrients in your body, and that will help your body to have a stronger immunity to fight against these diseases and that. So these vegetables are not just going to be uh, for money, they are also going to help you on your health. With my body weight, I always eat a lot of vegetables. If I've been consuming, a lot of things, I think I would be bigger than this. But I've tried my best to always eat very well and healthy, and I'm seeing my weight go down these days, and I'm really, really happy and excited. So I couldn't really manage buying the vegetables on a daily basis. I had to plant them. And you too can plant them, and they will be helpful to your health as well. Thank you so much for watching. I believe you found this helpful, and please subscribe and have a beautiful day there.